Okay, going to show you today how to install a shutter with T-posts. T-posts are basically an extra piece of frame for wider, taller shutters. First thing you'll do is open your frame box and get all the framing out. Once you get your frame open, go ahead and lay them on the floor, top, left, bottom, and right. They'll all be labeled so you'll know which frame goes where. Then we'll attach them together with the supplied Hoffman keys and screws. To secure the corners, put the Hoffman key in the slots in the frames as shown. Once held in place, go ahead and attach with the provided screw. Repeat this for all four corners. Next step will be to attach the T-post to the frame. They'll be labeled left and right also. Notice the T-post will fit in the slot in the frame. Go ahead and insert into the slot and attach with the two screws. Only snug fit. Do not over tighten. You will need to adjust these later during final install. Repeat for all four locations. Once you get the frame together, go ahead and place in front of the window. Okay, first step to install the shutter is to put a couple nails in the top right corner of the shutter once your frame is centered on the window. We've already gone ahead and done that just because this is a large frame, so we're going to pick it up from there. The next step is to get the shutter level across the window. And then you will finish nailing the top frame and the left into place. Once your frame is in place, go ahead and insert the panels into the hinges and insert the hinge pins. Once the panels are in place, you're going to have to shift the T-posts left or right to get all the margins even. Once all your margins are proper, go ahead and put one screw or nail in the center bottom to hold the shutter in place. Although not necessary, we recommend adding one screw to the T-post just to keep it firmly held in place. Go ahead and add one to the top of the T-post as well and repeat for the other side. Once everything is squared up and all the margins are proper, go ahead and add the rest of the nails or the screws around the frame to finish nailing the shutter off. Once you've mounted the frame in place, go ahead and install the inserts into the frame if your frame has them and gently tap into place. Okay, and that's how you mount a T-post shutter. As you can see, T-posts will allow for flexible hinge options, allowing you to open the panels separately.